Adnan Saab. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, you have joined OBS group of company almost a decade ago as first line manager. And still you are part of Aspen Pharma as business manager. Um, Too many management changes and you have witnessed during the whole decade, you have faced a lot of challenges during these years. So I would like to know how you handle all these challenges in such a manner that you still grow in this organization.
Yes. Thank you very much, Amber. And I'm very much thankful to the whole management for providing me the opportunity to share my success story. My entire exciting voyage was full of learning and challenges. As I joined the OBS in Jan 2012 as ZSM Faisalabad, I joined the company with full vim and vigor. But from the ZSM Faisalabad to the sales manager and to the whole journey was like a roller coaster ride. Uh, I got first promotion in 2016 as a sales manager Punjab based at Lahore, and then senior sales manager South, and then product manager Gynae team
That's
after
great.
internal assessment at Karachi. Then I performed there. And then in 2020, I got promotion as a senior product manager cardiometabolic team. And then national sales manager Pete team. And then national sales manager neurogynae team.
Great, great.
And at last, but not the least, as a business manager, business unit to Aspen Pharma. In this whole career, I worked with different managements, and uh, all the managements acknowledged my efforts, rewarded me with promotion, and I learned a lot from all the managements. And there were different lessons like how to uh, how to handle different challenges, how to work in a challenging environment, how to cope with your fears, and how to manage fears of your team,
Great.
and how to be a good leader. And throughout the journey, I think I remained patient, and I never give up. And my goal was actually very much aligned with the company goal.
Great. So what are your goals, Adnan Saab?
Okay, my goal. My goal is to influence the life of people by motivating and helping them to achieve their objectives, by stretching them to their fullest potential.
Great. Um, that's what were the major challenges, obstacles that you faced during your current role?
Amber, you know, in the current role, that was really challenging because ये year end था, and we have to plan many things like, and we have also have to close, make sure a good close in 2021. And there were many projects like field force optimization, breaker alignment, and I'm very much thankful to IQVIA. उन्होंने बहुत हेल्प किया उसमें, और बहुत सारे challenges थे like brand planning, A&P planning, and managing sales even without NSMs of 3 teams, and uplifting the morale of the team and motivation, and at last the assessment of the team on the basis of 2021 performance for their promotions. And
Great.
Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, all done. I'm very much thankful to Abid Saab and Ma'am for extending their support. I'm really highly obliged, sir. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. All done till date, all done. Thank you very much.
Nazab, despite of all these challenges that you have shared with us, so what was basically your motivation and the recipe of success that keeps you moving always in the forward direction?
Amber, I think I am a self-motivated person, and
Great.
I used to deliver my best always. And the recipe of my success is based upon four principles. Uh, in my opinion, uh, one should have believe in yourself. ये सबसे पहली चीज है. You should have a believe in yourself, and you should have a positive mindset. And this is very important. And people should have the ability to handle the tough time. And at last, one should never give up. Never give up.
Great, very good. Well said. Adnan Saab, this is an interesting question that I'm going to ask with you. During your tenure, what is the one thing that you have learned that never to do?
I'm not going to do. Okay. I think biased decisions.
Yes.
All decisions should be logical and on merit and should be in best interest of organization.
My next question is that what is the biggest disruption in your working day?
Daily working,
Yeah.
disruption. Nothing. I never let the things to disrupt my tasks or my decisions. I always try to deliver my 200% and leave rest to Almighty Allah.
Who inspires you in your personal life?
In my personal life, obviously, हम सब के प्यारे हज़रत मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, मैं उन जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि वो उसवा हसना का वो कंप्लीट कैरेक्टर, कंप्लीट पर्सनैलिटी हैं. तो हम सबको उन्हें फॉलो करना चाहिए और ये उनकी लीडरशिप है कि आज तक लोग उन्हें फॉलो कर रहे हैं. सो
What was your most memorable moment at Aspen Pharma?
most memorable moment. When GMD announced my promotion as a as a business manager after internal assessment, that was the happiest moment for me in Aspen Pharma. बिकॉज मैंने काफ़ी प्रमोशंस ली. अल्लाह का बहुत शुक्र है, अल्लाह ने बहुत प्रमोशन, बड़ी सक्सेस दी यहाँ पर.
Okay.
तो दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम कि मैडम डायरेक्टली अनाउंस माय प्रमोशन. सो दैट वाज द हैप्पीएस्ट मोमेंट.
This is my last question and very interesting as well. What are your words of advices or word of wisdom for our colleagues?
आई थिंक ये मैं टीम को भी अक्सर कहता हूँ अपनी को कि डेली जब मैं उनको मिलता हूँ, जब मुझे मौका मिलता है, तो मैं कहता हूँ ऑलवेज सेट अ बिग गोल फॉर योर सेल्फ. बिकॉज वेन एवर यू आर गोइंग टू अचीव अ बिग गोल, you have to face setbacks, you have to face failures. But एक्चुअली जो लोग अपने गोल्स को अचीव कर पाते हैं, उनके लिए सबसे बड़ी क्वालिटी जो वो रखते हैं, दैट इज़ द बिगेस्ट क्वालिटी इज़ दे नेवर गिव अप. दे नेवर गिव अप. एंड द सीक्रेट ऑफ सक्सेस इज़ कि जब भी आप लोगों को कोई प्रॉब्लम हो, आप सेटबैक्स, फेलियर्स फेस करें, ऑलवेज एनालाइज योर मिस्टेक्स, ऑलवेज क्रिटिकली एनालाइज योर सेल्फ. बिकॉज ये टफ टाइम है और इस टफ टाइम में आप अपने आप को आजमा सकते हैं। यही वो टाइम है जब दिस इज द टाइम ऑफ वीकनेस, एंड एट दिस टाइम ऑफ वीकनेस यू नीड पावर, एंड माइंड इज एंड what is power in a human being, this is the biggest power and one can have. And at this time there are few temptations जो हमें mislead करती हैं, and the first temptation is to scale down your ambitions, to scale down your targets, your vision, your ambitions. वो कैसे है, वो रूटीन में आप लोग जानते हैं कि जैसे ही कोई नंबर ऑफ वर्किंग डेज कम हुए तो कहा कि इस महीने तो नंबर ऑफ वर्किंग डेज कम हैं, ईद आ गई, रमज़ान आ गया, तो लोग कहते हैं मुहर्रम आ गए, तो लोग कहते हैं कि इस महीने 10 लाख तो नहीं हो पाएगा तो 8 लाख कर लेते हैं। एक्चुअली यही तो आजमाइश है, यही तो वो चीज़ थी कि जहाँ पर आपको, एंड दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट ट्रैप, दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट ट्रैप। और इसी तरह लोग करते हैं कि अब कंपनी की मैनेजमेंट चेंज हो गई और अब यहाँ पर स्टेबिलिटी नहीं रही, अब कंपनी की सपोर्ट नहीं है, तो किसी और कंपनी में चले जाते हैं। दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट ट्रैप। यही तो आजमाइश थी आपकी, इसी में तो आपने परफॉर्म करना था। दिस इज़ द बिगेस्ट ट्रैप। नेवर स्केल डाउन योर एम्बिशंस, नेवर स्केल डाउन योर एम्बिशंस। आप अपने आप को आजमाएं, क्यों नहीं आजमा रहे? लोग हार मानते हैं और छोड़कर चले जाते हैं। मैं समझता हूँ कि मेरी सक्सेस यही रही कि मैंने कभी हार नहीं मानी, मैंने हमेशा प्रूव करना चाहा और करके दिखाया, और सबने उसे एक्नॉलेज किया। बिकॉज दिस इज़ द टफ टाइम जब आप लोगों ने विन करना, कहीं और जाकर भी तो चैलेंजेस हैं, टारगेट ही करना है और क्या है, या तो कुछ और हो। तो मैं समझता हूँ मेरी सक्सेस यही रही कि आई नेवर गिव अप एंड आई ट्राइड माई लेवल बेस्ट कि मैं अचीव करूँ, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को डिलीवर करूं। मैंने इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में बहुत अर्न किया, बहुत ग्रो किया, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। मैं समझता हूं अगर बहुत सारी बातें जो हम कंक्लूड करते हैं, सुनते हैं, अगर मैं एक बात कहूं और इसे कंक्लूड करूं तो मैं कहूँगा कि मैंने सिर्फ कभी हार नहीं मानी, बाकी सब अल्लाह ने किया।
Thank you very much, Adnan Sahab. We really appreciate your dedication, your hard work, your consistency. And definitely all of us have learned a lot from your experiences. And me and my team, Pete's team, will definitely apply, will definitely implement your words of wisdom, your advices to achieve our Tabir-e-Azam.
Thank you, thank you.